Once you have drawn the flow chart, and drawn a dotted balance boundary for a unit of equipment or a plant, you can set up mass balance equations. Total balances use total masses or mass flow rates. Component balances use a component, for example hydrogen flow rates in flowing mixtures, that contain nitrogen as well. As an example, you would use this equation if you are asked to do a total balance over a distillation column. And you would use this equation if you are asked to do a component balance over a piece of equipment. Say you had a feed stream as follows. For a total balance, you would use the 100 kilograms per second. For the component balance of A, you would need to calculate A, which is the flow rate of A in stream F. The flow rate of component A, in stream F, is therefore the mass fraction of A, times the total flow rate, F. The first thing to do is to draw the flow chart. The product, stream P, is 3000 kilograms of a 10% slurry. A slurry is thin and sloppy, something similar to mud. A 30% slurry is one of the feeds. The flow rate of this is not known. The two streams should be blended, to give a uniform product, hence the process is mixing. You are asked to do balances over the process, hence you should put a dotted boundary box as follows. You are asked to do a total balance. This means you need to use F, W, and P, the total masses of the streams. From the streams crossing the dotted boundary, you can see that F and W are amounts entering the process, and P is the amount exiting the process. The mass balance is in equals out, so F plus W is equal to P. You are also asked to do a calcium hydroxide balance over the process. This is a component balance for calcium hydroxide. The calcium hydroxide in streams F and W enters the process, while the calcium hydroxide in stream P exits the process. From the last slide, a compound flow rate is calculated by multiplying the mass fraction by the total flow rate, giving the following. Hence F is equal to 1000 kilograms. Substitution into the first equation gives the following.